this up today from Harbor Freight. It's their all-new BADLAND off-road jack, 3-ton. So as we open the box, this is the first thing you'll see. Here's the instructions, the manual right here. And here's the tires for it. Oh wow, it's really sturdy. All right, and then let's just pull this out. Just notice too, it comes with its own tools right here, and the screws. Wow, this is how it looks like right here. Wow, it looks really nice and solid. As I open up the instruction booklet, here's the diagram, and there's also a assembly diagram. As I open up the tool bag, so this is what it comes with. It has its own tool right there, and these are the screws and the washers. So it basically comes with, what's this, 4 washers and 4 bolts right here. I just finished putting all 4 wheels or tires there. Now I'm going to put the washer in this. After hand tightening the bolt down, and you could just tighten it down. But if you have your own special tools, then go ahead, and I'm sure it'll probably be faster. So right now I'm just tightening it down. After tightening all 4 bolts in, so we only have these pieces left, and it will be going here. So with the last 2 screws remaining and the last 2 washers, we're gonna screw it over there. So I'm gonna use this hex key set to tighten this part out. So I guess this is one of the parts that it's not included in your tool set, but that's all good. There you go, just tightening this one down. Okay, so now I gotta remove this plastic piece right here. Just, there you go. So now, if you want to put this here, so the cool thing is it already comes with a screw. So we just gotta find the holes where the screw goes. There you go. Oh, that was easy. And then we just screw it on. So I just finished putting 1 screw in, hand tight. Look at that, that's just 1. And here's the second one right there. And you can see the hole goes right there. So after hand tightening the screw, and for you to get this out, I would actually push this. So you just push this button down. There. So this tool right here goes right there to tightening it some more. So this piece right here goes here. So you just put it through the middle of this hole. There you go. Just put it through like that. And then put that clip here. And there. Nice and stable. So once we're done using with these tools, tightening this part here, we can just simply put it back here. All we gotta do is just press this down. Cool. There. We're now going to put this part in here. There you go. And then just tighten. And oh yeah, and there's a lock right here. So I unloosened it, and now I'm just gonna tighten it. There you go. So this thing has a lock. So to unlock it, you just simply pull it up. There you go. And then twist. That's the limit right there. That's as far it'll go. Wow, this is high. And then to go down, just simply turn it. There you go. It's going nice and slow. So once you're done, this is how you lock it. You just simply push that lever down and push this one down. And there, it snapped. There, now it's nice and locked. So once you're done with this and unlocking the screws, you just simply put it here. And there is a knob right there to put it right there. There's like a hole right there that you could just simply screw on. Perfect. And now to lock this part, you just simply, there you go. There, right there, that hook. And then you just press down. We gotta put this one back. And to put this one back, you just simply push. There, all done. We got here the new Badlands jack, 3-ton. And we got here Mrs. Race Car Driver, Martini Racing Sparco.
Yeah, I'm the mechanic today.
So let's see how this works. Oh yeah, let's show them the lock and unlock.
Oh yeah.
So to lock, push it down.
It means this is unlock, right?
Yep, that's unlock.
Push it down.
That's lock. There, now it's locked. Ain't going nowhere. So to do the extender, it's right here.
Yeah.
Just simply, ouch.
Oh no.
Snap it out. But yeah, and then unscrew this. And then you put this here. Make sure you put it in the holes.
Oh, there's holes right there.
Yeah, the screw holes. There you go.
Oh, you need to make sure that everything is aligned. Huh?
Yup.
Okay.
Here, make sure everything's aligned. This button right here.
Oh, to release that.
Yeah. And then you just screw away. Yep, there. Ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
And then just put this back right here.
Oh, there you go.
Yep. And then now, how high do you want to go? So you just snap this out. Here.
Oh wow. And then you just lock it.
There. Wow, look how high this is already.
Is it even? Oh, the tires is almost.
Oh, okay. Oh, there. It's up already.
It's up already, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. There.
There. The extension.
Yeah.
There you go.
And that's like putting the extension to the lowest setting.
That's the low setting. Imagine if it's in a high setting.
Yeah. And
Just one tiny pump. This thing would have
Yeah.
been up already. So this is perfect if you're out in the trail and your tire goes out and you need to change it. This is where you put it. Right there. Pretty nice and easy too with the extension, huh? And this is us moving the tire. Let's do the rear. So we removed the extender. We removed this because it is too short. This rear side is not that tall yet. So we got it underneath the rear lower control arm, right?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's kind of dark. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. If you have problems with the rear, look, it's already moving. Yep, so this is how you do it if you want to change your tire. So, what do you think?
Yeah, actually, it's quite nice because it's easier to use.
Yeah.
I mean, we have the other one that is low profile. That's good for like cars, like your regular car.
Or mid-size.
Yeah.
But with this, it's perfect. Heck, you don't even need the extender for the rear yet.
Yeah.
I didn't move the Bronco forward. Normally, when we work on the Bronco here, we normally move it forward a little bit.
Yeah,
and look how much space you got.
Yeah.
So it's still pretty good.
Yeah, so if you're like working in a closed, tight space, even though this is big, it's still movable. You can still work on it. So, what do you think?
Me, I love it because look how easy this is.
Yeah.
And look how quiet this is too. But the only thing I realized though is if this one rolls, it rolls. So
Yeah,
if
there's
you're
no
in a angle, that's going down. Oh crap! You really gotta
you gotta
hold on to this. Yeah, because look, we're in a straight level, and it's already like ready to roll. But other than that, it's cool. Tires are thick. It handled the Bronco pretty well. I love the extender too.
The good thing with that kind of tires is really good for off-road.
Yeah, for off-road use.
Yeah,
big time.
Right?
Yeah.
So,
right now we're in concrete.
Then maybe we should test it out.
Yeah.
In an off-road someday.
Someday soon.
Yeah.
We're here in a new place. I think it's called Focabo. I think. But we got ourselves the what's this? Fall beef noodle soup. And we got some spring rolls.
Yeah.
and she got the same.
Yeah. It's actually
Man.
full buckle.
Full buckle. There you go. Full buckle. So, it's too high. Can't see the hole.